Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by measuring and mixing the ceramic ferrite powders accurately. This determines magnetic phase and yield. Choose barium or strontium ferrite, weigh to 0. 5-gram precision, then add a small polymer binder of 1 to 3% by weight so your powder molds hold shape. Once added, place the charge in a ball mill and run for 1 to 2 hours to homogenize particles. This reduces agglomerates and ensures uniform grain size, which matters for final coercivity and remanence. Once the mixed powder is homogeneous, form a paste and shape by pressing or extrusion to your magnet geometry. Press at pressures like 100-300 MPa for dense compacts. Make sure to dry slowly at 80 to 120 degrees Celsius to remove solvent without cracking. Next, calcine the dried parts at roughly 800 to 900 degrees Celsius for 1 to 3 hours to develop the ferrite crystal lattice. Afterwards, mill again to reach a 1 to 5 micrometer particle distribution for better sintering. Finish by sintering the shaped parts in air at about 1100 to 1300 degrees Celsius with controlled ramp and soak to densify and grow grains. Rapid ramps cause cracks. Once cooled, machine or grind to final dimensions. Apply a protective coating like phosphate or epoxy to prevent chipping, and then magnetize in a pulsed or DC field matched to the material coercivity to set polarity. If magnet strength is low, inspect for wrong phase or excessive porosity, resintering or higher press density.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.